Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you all of my fidget spinners. So, I have this black one right here. It's the one that I done the fidget spinner versus ear video on. But I mean, spins pretty well. Spins, if you spin it on a table, it goes for 3.5 minutes. I have this LED light one, or a LED light one, not LED light one, but it can go this way, and then it has another mode where it goes like this. Pretty cool. And now, my last one, it's just a normal blue fidget spinner. And of course you can change the pads. I'll do that now. So hard to open my drawer. Yeah, I have a lava lamp, but it's kind of broken. Here we go. A Swiss blade. You don't have to use this. This is just something small that I use all the time. So what you would do is like that. Crap, hang on. So much easier to do it this way, but the camera doesn't see. It's hard to get it on like the side. Oh my gosh, that's hard. It's literally closing the Swiss blade. It's about time. This has... It's just a normal ball bearing, but the orange one is what I'm like so excited about, because it, for the center bearing, has I lit it up. Not this one, not the orange one, but the black one. The black one. And I'll show you it here in a minute. What's so special about it? I mean, this just... I didn't do anything to the center bearing. It just came like this. It was like that, and then the other side like that. Yeah, I'll pop all of them, both sides off. Oh, gosh. I'm still here. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Alright, so there you go. It's like that, like that. So moving on to the black one. Now this one is the one that I have trouble with. But this one is the most interesting one by far, because its center bearing is a ceramic bearing. It means it's not heavier. Most of you guys probably know what it is, but it means it's not as heavy, but it spins longer. But yeah, I mean, you can switch the pads, like a black and a blue, or a blue and an orange, or whatever, but you can just switch the pads if you want. If you don't want, if you have just one or something like that, and then you could just keep it on that.